Hey guys, Trent here, 4x4 Works in McKinney, Texas, making a video for the F150 fans. We got another one in for our friends over at the North Central Ford. Today we're going to do something a little bit more special than what we typically do. We have got a set of Fox reservoir coilovers that we are going to install on this particular vehicle. And I happen to be pretty excited about it because we haven't done one of these coilover packages in a while. And this is a brand spanking new 2018 vehicle. So, getting a little chill in my nether region. We'll do a little later on ski. Okay, coilovers are installed. These are 6-inch Fox reservoir coilovers. This is a 6-inch zone suspension lift. This vehicle will be for sale on the lot at North Central Ford if y'all are interested in purchasing a brand new vehicle with the 6-inch zone suspension lift with Fox coilovers and Fox shocks in the rear. It's going to be looking really spectacular. Let's take a look at the wheel package we've got going on. Looks like we got some fuel chromes. That's the fuel hostage, if I'm not mistaken, hostage chrome. Looks like we got some Nitto G2 ATs, 35 12.5 20s. Man, this thing is just gonna be monstrosity when we get together. Take a look at that coilover setup. That is everything you want out of life. Alright, we have completed the 18 F150. It is a gorgeous morning here in Texas, and this is actually my favorite time to shoot a video because we've got the morning light glistening off of what is probably one of the greatest machines ever known to man. That is right, ladies and gentlemen, it is a Ford truck. As I had stated previously, we have the chrome fuel hostage with a set of Nitto G2 ATs, and just look at those coilovers. Fox reservoirs, looking fantastic. It's gonna back up. Look at how gorgeous that is. I'm gonna go all around. It's gonna go all around. Check out the underside of this rolling lock bed cover. Man, that just makes it. It's the little things, folks. It's the little details in life that really just make it all worth it. Gosh, that's a good looking truck. 6-inch zone coilover suspension lift Fox upgrade. Will be available on the lot at the North Central Ford in Texas if you're interested in purchase. If you already have a vehicle, if you've already got a Ford truck and you want to add some pretty darn good upgrades, please give me a call. My name is Trent. This is 4x4 Works in McKinney, Texas, turning out the awesome builds, making it happen. Please give me a phone call at 469-424-0028. Check me out online, 4x4works.com. We have a Facebook page. We're also on the Instagram. Click that like button just to let me and everybody know that you enjoyed this video and you're looking for more. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all are great.